So in our last video, there was a man down situation in the Berry Islands due to a kidney stone, and I had to be airlifted back home for some treatment. Meanwhile, Lori stayed behind in the Berry Islands at Great Harbor Key, hung out on the beaches, took a group up through Shark Creek on a nice little tour, and then when I returned, we explored the shallows at the other end of the island. Had a great time. In today's video, we take advantage of some nice weather and a high tide to take the skinny route down to the Mid-Berry Islands, where we go to Hoffman's Key, the famous Blue Hole, do a little bit of cliff jumping, hang out around Comfort Key and Devil's Key, and then we make our way into Little Harbor outside of Flo's Conch Shack, where we have some absolutely beautiful waters and hang out for a birthday party and really enjoy that area of the Berry Islands. Have you ever dreamed of selling it all and cruising into the sunset? Well, that's exactly what we did. It's no fun going it alone though, so why don't you join us for the ride? So the weather looked good for a few days, and we decided to cruise out of the marina with a couple PDQ friends and head down to Hoffman Key area. Hoffman is very popular for its Blue Hole. The Blue Hole itself is filled with salt water and is approximately 600 feet wide and almost 600 feet deep. A popular attraction is jumping into the Blue Hole from about a 20-foot cliff.
This is the little rock.
When the wind is right, the beach at Hoffman's is absolutely beautiful and it's a great anchorage. You can often find plenty of rays and sea turtles swimming in this area. This is Pancake guarding the door so that nobody leaves the boat without her. He's a tiny little yellowtail snapper. I'm gonna let him go. He's kind of small. So the winds were going to change from the south, so we decided to anchor about 3 miles away from Hoffman's at a place called Comfort Key. Later afternoon, when the tide was high enough, we decided to move further south and come around to Little Harbor, where Flo's Conch Shack is located. The reason we need to wait for high tide is because it gets real skinny in there, and at low tide, it's only a little over 3 feet deep, and our boats draw about 2 feet 8 inches. Our approach was a little precipitous as the tide was not fully high and our depth meter was reading just around 2 feet under our boat. Pancake, how about this anchorage, huh? Where are we? Where are we, Lulu?
We're at Flo's.
We are at Little Harbor.
We are at Little Harbor in the Berry Islands, Flo's Clam Shack. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PDQs. We're number 6. We're basically in about 3 feet of water here. It's pretty gorgeous. It's like a swimming pool or aquarium. Oh, and there is number 7 over there. 7 PDQs. All hanging out here at Flo's Clam Shack. It says you welcome, but I'm sure it's your welcome. But maybe you welcome. We're gonna go there for drinks and dinner tonight. It's actually Super Bowl Sunday, so maybe they'll have a TV in there, not sure, but we've got the gang here and we're looking good for a good time. Lulu and Cakes. Pancake? Good times.
So one really nice thing about the PDQs is that they can go in pretty shallow water, as we only draw 2 feet, about 8 inches, and most boats cannot get into a place like this. So we had it all to ourselves. And certainly sailboats, most sailboats, which are 4 to 6, 7 feet deep for their keels, they can't get in here. So it's really nice. So you'll see some boats in the distance, and that was our previous anchorage at Comfort Key, which was about 3 miles away. Chester is the only one who lives on this island, as he runs the conch shack, and the only other inhabitants are a couple dogs, a lot of roosters, and a whole bunch of peacocks.
Oh look, a visit from Easy Riders. It's not a fun time unless Easy Riders is around. Make it a cameo. He was the lead boat in.
Lori had pre-arranged for flows to be open, and we all wanted to celebrate David's 60th birthday. Chester was a little short-handed, and we had a big group, so Lori jumped right in and started making cocktails. As it was Super Bowl Sunday, we had to improvise on some squares for betting, so we used the back of a paper towel.
What are you drinking?
Well, nothing now. Just spilled.
How'd that happen?
Captain.
Captain?
Yeah, Captain.
So, what'd you do tonight?
I went to Flo's and.
What'd you do there?
Well, you know what? I helped Chester. There's a bunch of us. He's alone because Bernice and Jay are gone. So I did a little bartending, a little serving, and whatever. Had a great time. We'll be back tomorrow for cocktails.
Great.
Or he'll come to our boat. That could be better.
Awesome.
The next afternoon, Lori organized a little cocktail hour on a local sandbar. It was nice and quiet, except for that one lone shark that visited us. We didn't mind making friends with this little guy. With a few great days behind us, we headed back to the marina.
Hey Lulu. What's this?
Well, this is aftermath of a PDQ happy hour, late happy hour.
So wait, let me look at my watch. It's 5 of 9.
Which is late for.
What time did this start?
Well, we started playing at 1, but this was the last of the cool people who made it to the end. So we've got champagne, we've got mixed drinks, we've got wine, we have dinner. But this
How many people roughly?
This is Mom and Papa and her sibling, her
How many
chicklets.
folks did we have?
Probably 12 people here.
Nice.
Yeah.
In this little boat.
This little boat.
Yeah, it's the way we roll. Island time. You have a good time?
We always have a good time on island time.
So we've used the new Tohatsu outboard for 20 hours now, and it's past the break-in period. So one thing I have to do is change the oil. And to drain the oil, I've got to remove this plug right here, this bolt, and I'm going to hold the piano under it and all the oil will drain out. And then I'll take this hood off here and change oil filter and refill it. And we have to do this in the marina because we really don't have much of a choice here. We're in the Bahamas.
And this is where the problem started, because after I took this bolt out, I fumbled it, dropped it down, and it went 10 feet below me in the water to the bottom of the marina. So I enlisted the help of a few island guys to help me get it back. The ensuing series of events is nothing more than a downward spiral, and you really gotta watch it to the end because you just can't make this stuff up.
Let me get the buddy. With the jewels hanging out? Just one with the jewels, that's the jewels.
These guys had a great time razzing each other in the process.
Yeah, that's $70,000 Rolex go in the water. Hello.
Lori, I'll give you the watch.
That's right. Oh, yo, jewels is shrink. Jumping.
I had to lend them my mask and fins and even a bathing suit.
You weigh 110 pounds. I think 310.
You do?
Yes. Yeah, I say that long. Yeah, you know, breath like me, see? If I gotta get down there long, if I gotta get down there fast like that, I'll be down there long. It takes me about 5 minutes to get down.
Try as they might, it was just too murky and too much seagrass for them to find the bolt. So my friend David, another PDQ owner, was kind of watching and helping, and finally decided to go get his scuba tank, come back, and save the day. He found the bolt. Of course we had to have some celebratory cocktails, and one of the island guys who goes by the name of Ghost Sleep decided to come on board and join us.
For the night, we up a karaoke, man. You need to send me a karaoke. It's one of the best singers
Really?
down Barry Island.
You
man.
are?
Where? You are?
What?
Yes!
You don't know that?
No.
Come on, you gotta come down.
Where do we
sing,
go?
man. You gotta come
Right?
down
What do
and
you
sing,
do? Where?
man.
Hammerheads?
Like what us? Every Sunday we have a
Sunday.
Every Sunday in the night. We do it in the nighttime.
Yeah.
Like around 8.
Where do we go for this?
Whitewater.
Oh, Whitewater.
I want
Sorry.
you when we sing. I want you all here.
Oh, the real. What do you like to sing?
Yeah, what do you like
What-
to sing?
What do you like?
You like rap, reggae?
Stevie Wonder.
I love Luther Vandross.
Oh, Luther Vandross.
Oh,
Yeah.
So we got to get that text and all that and
Luther
that text and
Vandross.
you
The
know.
ladies love Luther Vandross. Yeah.
You know, that's like that one. I gotta sing that one.
Baby.
We're still having fun.
You're still
Oh.
the one. You're still
We're
the
still
one.
having fun.
Sing us a song. Bob Marley.
Sing
We're
a
still
song, man.
having fun,
Yeah,
and
man.
you're still the one.
Sing a
Oh,
song for, what are you singing at karaoke?
Oh, that's
Sing one
sorry.
for us.
That's not even Bob Marley.
Sing one? Oh, wait,
Yeah.
let's do a little karaoke. I can give a little taste. Do a little taste before we go to karaoke. When that's it out.
Oh, you want to get ready?
Yeah, do it.
All right, well, all right, hold on. I don't
We
even,
can't
it's
do
not
it.
working, baby.
Ears, you're still the one.
You're still the one.
Who sings that?
I'm still.
That's
we're
Celine
still-
Dion, I think.
No.
We're still the one. We're
Well, I
still
don't know.
the one.
We're fucked there. That's not working right now. I don't know why.
Let us sing that one.
Yeah, that's something.
I like that one.
Still having
Still the
fun.
one. You're still the one.
We're
Yeah.
still having
I-
fun.
The only one I want.
The only one I know.
Shania Twain.
No.
Like if you're like,
It is. Shania Twain.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Okay, it's my
I'm
phone,
not
Bri.
singing that one, but
Bri,
I gotta sing it.
you,
I'm not gonna
Bri,
sing it.
you're connected.
Any other girl, but oh, what a girl in my arms, like oh, what a girl in my arms. What a ting ting, hear her sing. My girlfriend, she promised to give me something. I guess that ring and the something sing. Say, does she promise to give me some ring ting ting? Ring ting ting, everybody hear them sing. My girlfriend, she promised to give me something. That's the ring and the thunder sing. But she promised to give me something.
Ding, ding, ding.
I think the one